If you're looking for a low-impact cardio workout that will boost your endurance and get your heart pumping, you should get into rowing. It's a total body burner. You can row without a boat, and in fact, without ever leaving home, all you need is a great rowing machine. There are many products available to choose the best rowing machines, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rowing machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sunny Health Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine Rower. This top-rated rowing machine, more than 11,000 five-star ratings on Amazon, includes 8 levels of magnetic resistance. Many reviewers age 50 love the ease of setting up and say they enjoy using this machine for a casual workout while watching TV. We find this machine great for beginners and seniors, since the resistance is a little less intense than other machines. It's not the most advanced or tech-forward option on this list, but the price is right for what you get. It's lightweight, easy to store upright, and quiet. Number 4. JakeFit Rowing Machine. If you're still building your home gym, this rowing machine is a perfect addition. Some of its features include a large, adjustable LCD monitor and a quiet magnetic rowing experience, but it also comes with additional workout equipment. This rower is equipped with a slant board for stretching and resistance bands to give your arms an even more intense workout. Making the most of your space is difficult with specialized equipment, and this machine offers a multifunctional approach. While it lacks smart features and provides only basic software functions like performance metrics tracking, it serves as a solution to those who may only have room for one piece of equipment and don't want to choose between a rower and a resistance trainer. Number 3. 900 Rower. With 26 resistance levels, this is by far the most advanced rower on this list, making it A-OK for more experienced rowers. Use its built-in 22-inch tablet to access on-demand workouts using the accompanying app, making it simple to access on-demand group fitness classes and preset programs. If you're someone who needs the push from an IRL instructor, you'll appreciate the interactive technology NordicTrack uses to digitally adjust your resistance and ensure you're always getting stronger. The quick adjust pedals are another feature on this machine worth calling out, as it makes customizing your foot position way easier and less frustrating than most rowers out there. Easy assembly and stowaway capabilities simplify the home use process, allowing me to focus more on my workouts and less on logistics. Number 2. Bluetooth Magnetic Rower. This rower can actually double as a cable machine, making it 2 pieces of home gym equipment in one. Not bad, right? Its glide bar also folds up for easier storage, and the 14-level magnetic resistance system it uses allows you to fine-tune intensity and challenge yourself as you progress. The anti-slip pedals and handlebar ensure your footing remains secure throughout your sweat session, allowing you to focus solely on performance. While it doesn't feature a fancy touchscreen or a library of digital programs, Bluetooth connectivity and access to external apps serve as solid options to guide workouts and track performance metrics. Thanks to its nylon rowing belt and ball-bearing rollers, this machine also operates quietly. Number 1. Sunny Health Fitness 1205 Rowing Machine. You'll be hard-pressed to find a rowing machine that's a better value than this one. For just $120, you can grab a machine with 12 levels of resistance, making it good for most fitness levels. It's also designed with a digital monitor that makes it easy to keep track of strokes. This might just be the best budget-friendly rower we've found on Amazon in the past couple of years. It provides a satisfactory workout for someone who knows what they're doing when it comes to rowing and wants a no-frills machine to row on at home. While it does lack the bells and whistles of pricier models, for the price, it's an absolute steal, highly recommended for those seeking a basic, straightforward rower on a budget. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.